Welcome to the By Manufacturers Direct YouTube Surface Preparation Learning Series, where today Josh demonstrates the speed and efficiency of the IMPACTS Americas S210E shot blaster. Shot blasting to remove fine dust is done to help the primer attain maximum adhesion. Floors that are severely pitted need to be cleaned as completely as possible. While there are still the options of acid etching and auto scrubbing processes, shot blasting leaves the floor clean, contaminate-free, and dry. This video shows a floor that is badly pitted after diamond grinding. This is a common result when floors have been ground to the level of large aggregate exposure. To clean the inside of these pits, a small shot blaster is passed over the surface. The result is an absorbent floor that will easily draw the epoxy primer down into it. It's the primary layer that acts as the root network to anchor the rest of the flooring system. This concludes this By Manufacturers Direct Learning Series segment. To learn more about any of the IMPACTS Americas blasters or dust collection systems, please reach out to your By Manufacturers Direct customer support representative. And as always, if you found today's video informative, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and select the bell icon to be notified when we post a new video.